unlocking the door to aesthetic living. Step into a realm where elegance meets innovation, where every corner whispers tales of sophistication. Welcome to the avant-garde world of 2024's aesthetic living room designs. Brace yourself for a journey through a landscape where creativity thrives, and every detail is meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of awe and wonder. As you cross the threshold into these meticulously curated spaces, you'll find yourself enveloped in an ambience that transcends the ordinary. Picture perfect, yet effortlessly chic. These living rooms are more than just places to relax. They are expressions of personal style and refined taste, with each design element thoughtfully chosen, from the furniture to the lighting. Every inch of these rooms tells a story of opulence and grace. At the heart of these designs lies a fusion of modernity and timeless elegance. Clean lines and minimalist aesthetics create an air of sophistication, while subtle pops of color and texture add depth and warmth to the space. From sleek, modular sofas that beckon you to sink into their plush cushions, to statement-making accent chairs that serve as conversation starters, every piece of furniture is a work of art in its own right. But it's not just the furnishings that captivate the senses. It's the attention to detail that truly sets these living rooms apart. Intricately designed rugs, hand-painted murals, and bespoke artwork adorn the walls, adding layers of visual interest and personality to the space. Meanwhile, innovative lighting fixtures cast a warm, inviting glow, creating an atmosphere that is both intimate and inviting. In 2024, technology seamlessly integrates into the fabric of these living spaces, enhancing both form and function. Smart home systems allow for effortless control of lighting, temperature, and entertainment, while hidden speakers deliver crystal-clear sound without cluttering the room. It's a marriage of convenience and luxury, where cutting-edge innovation enhances the overall aesthetic without compromising on style. As you navigate these thoughtfully curated living rooms, you'll find yourself inspired by the boundless creativity and ingenuity on display. Each design is a testament to the endless possibilities that exist when imagination knows no bounds. Whether you're drawn to the sleek sophistication of contemporary design or the timeless allure of classic elegance, there's something for everyone in 2024's aesthetic living room designs. So dare to dream, dare to imagine, and dare to create a living space that transcends the ordinary. With 2024's trend-setting designs as your guide, the possibilities are truly limitless. Welcome to the future of aesthetic living.